Hello my people, welcome to Decent TNC channel. Today we are going to see different shortcut keys, keyboard shortcut keys, which can be used in ArchiCAD, which can help you to do your work easily and quickly. So please don't forget to do subscribe. Let's start. We are going to start with Ctrl N, which is used for creating new project. If you want to create a new project, you may press Ctrl N. The next is to open. If you want to open, you may Ctrl O. Now you can open a file. Then you may choose where the file is, then you open. It is Ctrl O. Then if you want to join, open and join the teamwork, you may press Ctrl Alt O. Now you can join. If there is a team, we are working in teamwork, you can join. If there is where you may play, you can enter address, log name, even the password, then you can log in the BIM crowd or teamwork. So if you want to save, it is Ctrl S. If you want to save as, if you want to save in other format, you may press Ctrl Shift S. Now you can save without any. You may choose other format to save in. If you want to print, it is Ctrl P. You may set now the print and then press the print. This print Ctrl P. If you want to check to set the setup page setup, you press Ctrl Shift P. Now you may set the page as you want for printing, orientation, size, and so on. Then print. If you want to kit the project, kitting is Ctrl here. If you want to kit or close, it is Ctrl Q. If you want to undo, for example, I may delete this object, discard object. If you want to undo what I have done, it is Ctrl Z. Now you see it is back. If you want to repeat the command, Ctrl X to cut. If Ctrl C, it is copy. Ctrl V, it is paste. You know it. Then find and select. You press Ctrl F. Ctrl F. It is find and select. For example, I may want to find doors. It's the element. Then if I want to add or remove, may change like this. This is find and select. Then grouping. For example, if I want to group, like I want to group this, I may group them with Ctrl G. So now if I select this, the next one will be selected because they are grouped. Then to ungroup them, I will press Ctrl Shift G. Now they are ungrouped. Then if you want to drag, first of all we have to select, press shift, then select, then Ctrl D is for drag. Now I mean drag. If you want to rotate, Ctrl E. Now I may rotate. See? If you want to mirror, Ctrl M for mirror. Now I can mirror. If you want to elevate, it is Ctrl orbit is O. If I want to elevate, first of all we select, then Ctrl 9. See? Ctrl 9. Now you see it is elevated. Then to undo is Ctrl Z. Then to drag multiple copy, drag copy. For example, you want to drag this double card, Ctrl Shift D. Now you can see here there is copy, and here there is drag copy. If you want to rotate copy, Ctrl Shift E. You can see. If you want to mirror a copy, Ctrl M, Ctrl Shift M. Now you can see. If you want to multiply things, like want to multiply this object, it is Ctrl U. See? Then you set. See? If you want to stretch, like I want to stretch this slab, it is Ctrl H. Now you can stretch the slab. If I want to adjust, then press Ctrl minus sign, then press the baseline. See, this is adjust. If you want to open the default, tool setting dialog box, press Ctrl T. The section. You have to select the tool you want to open, then Ctrl T. Now you can set this dialog box. Element. Let me pick this window. can use it here. See, it is the same window. So if I want to change an element, I may Control Alt C, then pick the element here. Let's jump to trace. Trace, it is here. To activate this trace, it is Alt F2. It is activated. If you want to trace, like if you want to trace the below story, the upper story, it is Alt F2. If you want to measure, press M. Now can measure. If you want to do cutaway, 3D cutaway, you open the 3D window, then you do cutaway. You do Control Y, then you activate the cutaway here, then activate as you want, or you may do horizontal one as you want. Then to deactivate, Control Y. If you want to see all in 3D, press Control F5 to see all in 3D. If you want to zoom the selection, select the element, then you want to zoom it, press Ctrl Shift, then apostrophe mark. See? If you want to go to story setting, you press Ctrl 7. Story setting. Then my set. If you want to set layers, press Ctrl L. Then set the layers. New combination layers, new layers, new layer combinations, so on. If you want to set the view, to save the view and then press on the layout, you press Alt 7. Now you may go and press the view on the layout. Then in the teamwork, if you are working in teamwork, you may want to send and receive. You press Ctrl Alt Shift and S is to send and receive. Ctrl Alt Shift S is for teamwork. Then if you want to send changes, Ctrl Alt S. If you want to join and or open teamwork project, Ctrl Alt O. You've seen it. If you want to reserve a new element, press Ctrl J. Ctrl J. If you want to release all, it is Ctrl Shift J. Then if you want to close the tab, press Ctrl W. Like if I want to cross this breathing section, I want to cross this tab from these all tabs, then I press Ctrl W. Then if you want to open or show Windows overview, you press Ctrl Shift A. See all the tabs I have here. Now I can see, I can have an overview of them. If you want to enter the full screen, you press Ctrl and slash. If you want to go up story, you press Ctrl up. Down, Ctrl down. For down on the movement keys. If you don't have other stories, they ask you to create those stories. If you want to go up, Ctrl up, then back down. See. So if I want to go story, it's Ctrl Shift F2. If I want to go to in desired story, press the number of story, like 1. Then move on. If I want to go back, if you want to see the floor plan, press F2. If you want to go to the last layout, you press Ctrl Shift left. If you want to go to the previous, so if you want to use polyline, press Shift L. Then you may draw the line. See, this is polyline. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.